What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the bear market. Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. What's up, ATB gang? I know you guys are in chat. Let me know with a hashtag ATB. I always ask you guys to check in from ATB. I always ask you how DZ's doing, but I forget to read the messages to see if he's treating you right. He could be abusing you out in ATB land, and I would have no idea. But shout out to the ATB gang. What is going on, guys? Woo! Baby! We are coming down, guys. We got a lot of stuff to look at today, guys. Bitcoin breaking 28 or 29K. We came all the way down into the 27K range. I don't mean to seem giddy, but I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm not going to lie. Today, especially this morning and right now, have been feeling like very similar to when we're in a parabolic bull run and everything's going up and money's just falling out of the sky. It's kind of how I feel today, right? Because you guys know on this channel, I show you guys how to trade crypto and make money, whether the price is going up or down. And during these dumps, the money is falling from the skies. And shorting is an amazing thing, guys. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, what's going on with the price, where are we going to get this bounce? As you guys know, we have come down and tested that golden pocket level that we've had our eyes on. We were saying it yesterday, if I was looking for a long, I wasn't looking for that big of a bounce yesterday. I know a lot of people were trying to catch longs yesterday, but I mentioned I would rather see us come down and actually touch that golden pocket and then look for bullish divergences to catch that scalp long on the way up. So I do think this bounce is probably pretty close, and we're going to get into that in just a second. We're going to take a look at the altcoins at the end of the stream, guys. If you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win a giveaway, smash up those like buttons, or the one like button. For every single 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel. There's 2 spots on the wheel to win a giveaway. So the more you get 100 likes, you guys get 1 spin, 200 likes, 2 spins, 300 likes, 3 spins, and so on. Right now, I think we currently have 3 NFTs that we're giving away. You guys landed on giveaway yesterday on the wheel, so I will be giving you an NFT. Tony D, one of our wonderful mods, is matching my giveaway. So Tony D, one of our mods, will be giving away another NFT. And then we had Biomex, one of our long-term OGs of the channel, said he's going to donate us an NFT too. I don't know why, probably because he's just awesome. So there you go. We're giving away 3 NFTs this week. Shout out to you, Biomex. Shout out Biomex. I appreciate you, man. That's really cool. I think he said he has a bunch of blockheads. So we're going to be giving away a bunch of NFTs already, but for every 100 likes, you guys get a spin to win more NFTs. We'll probably wind up giving away like 5 or 6 of them by the end of the week. We'll be announcing the winners on Friday. If you want to enter to win these giveaways, definitely go check out our video that we uploaded today. It's our KuCoin video, part 3. I think we cover the trading bots. I cover all the trading bot options that they have on KuCoin. They have a bunch of different types of bots, so we cover all of them. It's pretty interesting. I tried one. I made a little bit of money. I'm going to continue to test them out, and we're also going to be testing out a bunch of other bots too. I have one bot. I have a meeting, I believe, tomorrow to talk about another bot. And then a lot of people in the Discord have been telling me about Jason Casper's bot. Gonna have to hit up our boy Jason Casper and see if we can figure out a way how we can get our hands on that. Jason, if you're watching this, man, I'm willing to pay. Just let me know how I can get my hands on it. I would love to try it. But yeah, it's been praised. Everyone that's been talking about it has said it's awesome. So I would love to try that out. But guys, tomorrow, I think we're going on Evan Aldo's channel. Tomorrow, I will tweet the finalized details before we do, but definitely check us out there. Like I said, I'll give you guys the details on Twitter. So if you guys aren't following me, Frankie_Candles on Twitter, I'll be letting you guys know when we'll be on his channel. You guys come over, show some love, and drop some subs and likes for our boy Evan Aldo. He's awesome. We love him for sure. But guys, without further ado, let's just jump right into the charts. We have a bunch of crazy stuff going on. Let's say what's up to chat, and then just jump right into it. Who do we got going on? Who do we got in here today? Part-time chemist, what is going on? Thank you for coming back. Praveen, what is going on? Jay Rogers, not Jay Casper. Jay Rogers, what is going on, man? Tony D, one of our amazing mods. Jimmy Two Shoes, I got my black coffee right here. Guys, I'm a little amped today. I'm drinking a cup of coffee. I got not 1, but 2 bubblies, right? We got a show today, guys. We got a show. Salute, Jimmy Two Shoes. Shout out. Jimmy Boy, what's going on? Audra, what is going on? Lane Hughes, thank you for being here again. Frankie, man, lost basically all my gains. Hate this day. Haha, glad you're happy, though. Lane, no way, man. Dang. Let me know what happened. What happened? Were you caught in, what was it, just a couple bad trades or something? Let me know. But don't give up, Lane. Don't give up. Stay in the game. Maybe step away from the computer a little bit, take a couple days off, and get your head right. Because the psychology is very important. Let's see, what Big Wick Energy. Whoa, hey, I like that. I like that name. Yo, Frankie, made my first short trade. Thanks. I appreciate everything I learned from you. Big Wick Energy. Let's go. You flaunt that Big Wick Energy. Let's go. I'll throw a little. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're throwing money today, boys. We're throwing money today. Paul Quinn. What is going on, Paul? Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. Says the Candle Man. What's up, Paul? Thank you for being here, man. I appreciate you. We got a lot to talk today. We got a lot to talk about today, Paul. Cody and Crypto, what is going on? Skywalker, Crypto Billy, as always, good to see you, man. I got to bring out that CandleMafia shirt again, and I will. Don't you worry. Skywalker, what's up? The bit goes with a water gun. Maybe he's talking about the money print to go. Mo Money, what is going on? Money is falling from the sky, peeps. That's how I'm feeling, Mo Money. That's how I'm feeling. Ada Boar, what's going on? Frankie, last time you had internet issues and cut the stream. Can you please do copy and on BNB Smart Chain? I can try, Ada Boar. I can try. Stick around till the end of the stream and throw it in there. I'll try to take a look at it. I don't know if there's trading view charts for it, but we could try to take a look at it for you. Mike, what's going on? Will, what's up? Matt, RJ, Dauntless, Chad, Charles, Chris Crass, Rob the Crypto Snob. Let's get a couple more in here real last minute. Me and ADHD, what is going on? Jonathan, Mr. A, or Al as we call him, Matt, Crypto Nerd, Daryl, Skywalker, Ridman, Drew, and Devin. What is going on, guys? Like I said, we got a show for you today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the charts because we're probably missing price action here. So let's get into it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check in on these trades. So up 114% on the Ethereum trade, up 96% on the Bitcoin trade. These were both up 4 figures here just a minute ago. We did get a little bit of a bounce here, and we're gonna take a look. What is going on? Let's zoom in actually a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that little popski. But guys, we did come all the way down to about 27,650. I told you guys, we're just getting started here. I know a lot of people are really excited. Pick anything in short. Rich Young, I mean, not financial advice, and obviously you don't want to just pick a random thing in short, but in the past couple of days, if you just picked something and put a short in, you'd probably be in profit right now, so you're not wrong. But guys, I know a lot of people are talking, about, everything's on sale, I'm buying, and I'm not saying it's a bad time to buy right now. I'm not saying that at all. If you are buying, I would just recommend DCAing in, because I think a lot of people have an idea. They have the idea that, like, we're hitting the summer lows. This is it. We're going to bounce. And like, even if we come into the 20s, I think people think that once we bottom out, it's the start of the next bull run. That is not likely to happen, right? If you've been through a bear market before, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Bear markets are slow and brutal. So we are just getting started here. You guys have to understand that price can come down a lot more, right? And like I said, if you're DCAing in, right now is not a bad time to start DCAing, right? Because you're going to keep buying as we come down, if we continue to come down. And then your average buy-in will get better over time. It'll get lower and lower over time. But you have to understand that, guys, it's going to be a long time until we have another bull run, right? We're not just going to, turn right back around once we bottom out and start moving up again. There's going to be a long period of sideways action. It's going to be barren. There's going to be no excitement coming from the crypto space. The news is going to be calling it a scam. See, we told you Bitcoin, we thought Bitcoin was good, but now it's bad. Don't invest. And they're going to scare everybody out. What they do is they shake you out with these violent moves to the downside like we're seeing right now. And then, so they shake all those people out, and anyone who sticks around, they just bore them over the length of a very long time, right? There's just nothing happening. And, no one cares about crypto anymore. People forget about it. But like I said, that's the time that you want to double down, learn everything you can, learn TA, learn how to trade, learn about blockchain technology, learn about the metaverse, learn about NFTs, learn about staking, learn about yield farming, learn everything crypto during the bear market. So when the bull market comes, you can capitalize, use all your new skills to capitalize on the crazy exponential gains that you can make in a bull run. But what you have to understand is, I think a lot of people, like I said, think that we're going to bottom out and then it's going to be fun after that. It's most likely not going to play out like that. We have a very, very long time, most likely, before we get another parabolic bull run, right? Maybe we'll get a dead cat bounce. You guys will know in 2017, if we come and just take a look at Bitcoin real quick, in 2017, you'll see that we did have a little dead cat bounce, right? We came all the way down, and then what is this? Is this this is the dead cat. So if you come here and take a look, right? So you had the parabolic run up in 2017. We peaked out at about $19,666. We're going to talk about the weird numbers that we peak out at, by the way. 19,666, even 0.00 cents, right? Even, right? And then this cycle, we topped out at 69K, right? Little Mimi, right? Exactly 69K, very strange. Anyway, but you come down, right? And then it's all boring, right? Everyone thinks this is the bottom of the bear market. And then boom, we come down and then you're just sideways for a very long time, right? So, and then you get this dead cat bounce, right? So this was actually a pretty nice run up. So this is kind of a little bit of excitement in the bear market. But, you know, maybe you get that dead cat bounce and then you come back down. Obviously, this was the March 2020 dump. But bear markets are not fun, guys. Bear markets are not very fun, right? So they last a really long time. And this period down here is very boring. Very, very boring. So it's not like we're just going to go down and go back up. This is much longer than people realize. So just keep that in mind, guys. We could potentially have much more pain. We are most likely just getting started here. So you don't want to be dumping all your bags in. Not financial advice. I'm not dumping all my bags in right now. I'm actually waiting a little bit. I'm going to slowly DCA on the way down. But you definitely don't want to, you know, it might work out really well if this is the bottom and we launch off to a new all-time high and the extended cycle theory is true, which I don't think is going to happen. But then in that case, dumping all your money in right now would be a great idea. But if Bitcoin does anything it has done historically, it is not going to play out like that. So it's going to be very boring. You know, we're probably going to move sideways for a very long time. And it's going to be boring. It's going to be very boring. And, you know, like I said, I mean, if you're buying right here and we dump down to, you know, 18K, right? We'll just call it 18K. I know everyone's got different targets. But we'll say, you know, say 20K. You dump down here, you hit about 20K. And then, you know, in the next cycle, it would not happen in 2023. That's where we are right now on this chart. I'm just using this as an example. I think this is basically what people think is going to happen, but it's most likely not going to happen like this. But let's say, you know, eventually you move your way back up to 100K. You know, even if you're buying right here, it doesn't matter how low you go. You're still going to have a good buy-in if you're buying here. But it would be better if we're going to continue to come down that you buy a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. So you get a lower buy-in price for the way up. But I think this is kind of what people are thinking it's going to look like. People think we're going to, even if we come down to 20K, it's going to look like this. And we're going to be at new all-time highs in 2022 or 2023. Most likely not going to happen, guys. Most likely not going to happen. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. But the money is falling from the sky right now if you are shorting. That is for sure. Let's see. What is your fearless forecast for the ultimate bottom? I mean, I am a believer that we're probably going to go ahead and test the mid to low 20s, right? I know a lot of people are calling for 10K and lower. Now, those people, here's the thing. I think we're going to low to mid 20s, right? But the people calling for 10K, like, they're not crazy. Like, that is totally possible. I think, again, mid to low 20s. But I'm not calling the people who are saying 10K crazy. It is definitely possible. You're just got to see what happens. You know, someone's got to be right. Someone's got to be wrong, right? So, you know, not impossible. I really do think it depends on what we see. The thing that makes me think that we can maybe go lower than I think is that we got down here a lot faster than I thought. This was a hard drop down. So maybe I do think we have a lot more pain in store. Even if we come to the, you know, mid to low 20s, we still do have a bit more pain. But I mean, if we're going down to 10K, we have a lot more pain coming. But even 20K, like, we still have a lot more pain. And, you know, even when the free fall pain is over, right? If we go to 20K, that's part of the pain. But the other part of the pain, guys, is this. This is probably more painful in my opinion. You're going to do this probably for quite some time. Maybe you do that. Maybe you do this, right? You're going to go sideways probably for a pretty long time. The bottom is going to be boring. So that's what I'm not looking forward to. This is actually pretty fun right now because although we're going down, we're going down hard, right? And that's fun because you could profit off of that. So again, you know, Femex, I did catch, obviously I'm out of the trades now. I don't have any trades open on Femex right now. These are still open. But my what do you call it? My Femex trades this morning, I was in these two shorts plus a Bitcoin and an Ethereum short on Femex this morning. Took profits on my Ethereum trade for about 20% profit, made a few $100s there. Pretty happy with that. And then my Bitcoin short did not hit my take profit, and I got stopped out at break even. I had my stop loss at entry point, so I didn't lose any money, but I made a couple $100 on that Ethereum short. Plus, we got these running it up right now, both in the 4-figure range. So we're gonna let these ride. I gotta take profits at some point. I am kind of stuck in this weird position where like I want to have somewhat of an exciting trade to show you guys. So I have been holding on to these a little long. I should not be doing that. I don't recommend you do that. If you have a live stream or something, or you're holding on to a trade to show your friend, bad idea. So I'm going to be taking profits on these probably pretty soon. I should do it right now, but I'm just going to continue with the stream. We'll see what happens. Now let's go back to Bitcoin, guys. Now, what do I see happening, right? We were talking in the Discord this morning. I have been hanging out in the Discord a little bit more, guys. So definitely, if you haven't been hanging out in there, I do show face a bit more now. In the mornings, I try to give you guys at least a daily little TA thing in my Bitcoin TA or Ethereum TA section. I'll give you guys a little breakdown of what I see on the charts to give you guys a little refresher update on what I'm thinking. We were looking at this 4-hour yellow X that was printing. But then the 1 hour was actually looking pretty nice, right? The 1 hour was looking pretty good. You have momentum waves moving to the upside. You had nice curvature on the money flow, right? This was all looking pretty good, right? Momentum waves coming up nicely, money flow coming up nicely. So this was kind of making me think like, I don't know, right? And then I go back to the 4 hour. Yellow X disappeared, and I'm like, okay, like that's kind of when I was like, let me pull some money out of these shorts. Maybe we're gonna bounce here. The yellow X went away. 1 hour was looking great, right? And then we went on the stream, and in the morning we went on the BitBoy Crypto stream, and I was thinking, we looked at the 4 hour chart. I think it was on stream, and the 4 hour yellow X was back, and I should have just held the shorts. I would be way up right now, but hey, I made money on the shorts. Taking profit is never a bad idea, right? I could have made way more if I held those shorts, but price could have came up and stopped me out anyway. So you want to take your profits when you can, right? So I'm happy I took profits. I could have made more, but I could have lost too. So never want to hate on taking profits. But the yellow X came back, made me a little more confident that we were coming down, right? I think I added a little bit to my KuCoin shorts. But there you go. These yellow X's don't lie, guys. Yellow X1 brought us down like 17%. This could bring us down a lot, but we do have our golden pocket down here. And if you take a look here on the 4 hour, we are starting, we could potentially, we have 1 hour and 57 minutes left to confirm this candle, right? So plenty of room to move on this candle, but we do have a possible bullish divergence here, right? If we start printing a green dot on this momentum wave, this is what I was looking for. Now, actually, should I pull up the Discord? Maybe I should. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. Let's pull up the Discord. Let's see. I was saying yesterday, saying that I didn't want to take a long position because I would rather wait to see if we can come back down to the actual golden pocket, put in a bullish divergence on a higher time frame, and I would rather long from there. Let's see. This is from today. This was yesterday. Let's see. We'll find it. We'll find it. But yeah, I put it in the Discord. I really do want to find this because it kind of called exactly what we were looking for, and we're starting to see it right now. Waiting for that bullish divergence. What is this? Oh, wow. This is today. Jeez, you guys are cooking in this Discord, guys. This is unbelievable. We're just going to go ahead and auto scroll here. Let's see where we at. Okay, this is this morning still. Wow. Okay, we got some scrolling to do. Let's say what's up to chat. Check USDT, USD. Oh no, is something happening to USDT now? Unbelievable. All right, wow, we're gonna have to go back quite a lot. Let's see. There's probably an easier way to find this, guys, but I'm not a Discord guy. I am not a Discord guy. God, you guys are in here at 5:30 in the morning. You guys are crazy. You guys out here trading all 24 hours a day. Tatted Grizzly, that is correct. At the end of the day, they're all educated guesses. Yeah. Guys, listen, 418. Wow, you guys are really cooking. Guys, TA works, right? It doesn't work 100% of the time. Nothing works 100% of the time. If anything worked for 100% of the time, everybody would be billionaires, right? So, geez, this is rough. This is a lot of stuff in this Discord. But yeah, guys, let's go. Love the videos. Keep them coming. John, I appreciate you. Man. But yeah, TA works. It doesn't work 100% of the time, right? So, a lot of people, I'm not saying Tatted Grizzly was saying this, but this just reminds me, a lot of people like hate on TA. People are like, TA never works. Wow, you guys are literally in here 24/7. This is crazy. But yeah, they were like, TA's all fairy dust. It works. It just doesn't work 100% of the time. It's like a lot of people, I think, try to trade and their TA doesn't work 100% of the time. And they're like, it's a scam. I didn't do good doing it. I'm not good at this. So everybody else is wasting their time. It's not the case. It's not the case. Otherwise, nobody would ever trade, right? So yeah. But anyway, today at 153. All right, guys, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this. I'll be honest with you. Let's see. Let's see. If I type in rather wait, will we find it? No. Bullish divergence. Ah, boom, there it is. I should have just done that, guys. Should have just done that. So I was saying here in the Discord yesterday, I didn't want to take a long because we didn't really come down and touch that golden pocket. I think we would come down and touch that golden pocket. This is the 2-hour chart, right? So I was telling people I would rather see something like this. We come down, make a lower low, making the lower low on price action, testing that golden pocket, and making a higher low on your momentum waves, getting that bullish divergence to make a move up, possibly to this 786 fib level. And if we go ahead and come back to Bitcoin, look at us come to the 2-hour. 2-hour might not. Yeah. Okay. So here you go. There we are. It literally played out exactly how I wanted it to. We came down. We are now testing this golden pocket. Are we going to come up? Because now we are, if we put in a green dot here, we will have that bullish divergence. This is where I'm looking for a long. However, green dot is not confirmed on the momentum wave. You're probably going to want to wait on that to confirm. So we do have a little bit of time. Here we are back above that golden pocket. So yeah, snapping back up above that golden pocket. Not looking too shabby. But yeah, I do think this could be the point where we start to see these bounces, guys. This would be where I'm expecting a bounce if we can confirm these bullish divergences. I mean, even right here on the 24-minute, you can argue. There you go, confirmed bullish div. Maybe we get a move up. Maybe we get a move up. And then the 4-hour would also be printing a bullish divergence if you get that green dot, which we do not currently have. But this is what I'm looking for, to put in a trade, to get a long in. Not financial advice, guys. But this is what I've been waiting for. We're coming down to a key level, right? Very strong golden pocket. Getting those bullish divergences starting to form on the 2-hour, on the 4-hour, on the 3-hour. And let's see what the 1-hour is looking like. I mean, yeah, you got that bullish divergence printing right here as well. So, but you want to wait for those green dots to confirm. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. This is Bitcoin. This is what's happening right now. Shorts are paying. I think we're going to have a bounce probably somewhat soon. And this is what I'm looking at. Price targets for this long, if I do wind up taking it when we're, not on a stream, probably going to see some resistance at this high volume node right here at about 31,755 if we make it up that high. And then again, our 786 fib level all the way up here. If we get a big bounce, this would be a big level to take profits at for me. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. It's coming down. It's coming down. Just really, I want to take profits on these, but we're going to let it go. We're going to let it go to the end of the stream. Let's just hope I'm not crying by the end of the stream because all my gains are gone. No, I'm kidding, guys. I'm deep in the green here. We're not going to pump back up. What was my entry on these? My entry 36, almost 36.1 and 27. Like Ethereum's probably not getting to 27 anytime soon. So probably pretty safe on these shorts. I also do think we're coming lower, so I do want to hold on to these. I'm take a little bit of profit out, but I am going to try to hold them. If we come back up, I might add to them until we come down to those lower targets, baby. But there you go, guys. There is Bitcoin. These are the things I'm keeping my eye on, and where I think we could go if we bounce back up. We just spoke about it. If we continue to come down, I mean, I would expect to come back down, maybe to come down and test the bottom of this golden pocket at about 26.6, something like that maybe. But yeah, we could probably find some other support before this, but our next support level is probably going to be, closer to 20K. Like I said, we could probably find some stops on the way down, but that's what we're looking at, guys. That's what we're looking at. We are here at the summer lows. Glad we've been able to call this. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm actually pretty happy about this call in the Discord. This is what we're looking for. This is happening now. This has happened. This is exactly what we were looking for. This is exactly what's happening right now. So keep in mind. Just keep this in mind, guys. Not financial advice. I don't give trade signals, but I put this in the Discord. Said keep an eye out for it, and all I'm doing is letting you know that it's happening. That's all I'm saying. But again, you want to wait for those confirmations. Not even printing a green dot here yet on the 4-hour. 2-hour, not printing a green dot. You want to print that green dot and confirm the green dot before you think about doing anything. Let's see. I might be in trouble, Frankie. Got a short going from 2029 on ETH Stop loss is set at 2130. We're getting a little bounce. Do you think I'm safe with the 2130 stop loss or move it up a bit? V-Slim, let's take a look at it. Let's actually go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Let's see. I'm going to touch on V-Slim's comment first, and then we'll take a look at it in general. There you go, guys. Came right down to our support, starting to hold that support. Not bad. What'd you say, 2130? Let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute, 2130. Now, I don't know what time frame you were trading. So V-Slim, I'll say this. Ask yourself. I want you to ask yourself this question because I don't know the answer. Only you know the answer. Why? And I'm not saying you picked a bad place. I'm just saying, why did you choose to place your stop loss at 21? What was it? 2130. Was it above? I assume you're probably going above the last swing high is probably what you were doing. So not too bad. You're in sketchy territory. I'll be honest with you right now. 2130. You might get hit. Now, if this is the beginning of a big pump, you might. And you're asking if you should move your stop loss up. I don't recommend moving your stop loss up. I would recommend if you're going to get stopped out, just get stopped out. Because if you're going to move your stop loss up once, and you get close to your stop loss again, you're going to move it up again. And all you're doing, if we get a big pump, all you're going to do is chew away your money for no reason. So you want to pick your trade, have the idea, have your trade idea. You want to put the trade idea to use. You want to enter the trade, set your stop loss, set your take profit. And if you get stopped out, you get stopped out, right? Your trade idea was invalidated. You got stopped out. It's okay. You'll get the next one, right? So I hope that helps you out. That's kind of what I would say. If you're there and you're going to get stopped out, let it get stopped out. Because like I said, if we're going to get a big bounce off this golden pocket, you're probably just going to get stopped out anyway. Even if you move it up here, if we pump up, you're probably going to get stopped out at some point if we get a decent bounce, right? We've come down a lot, right? So you got to expect that we're going to come up and get a nice bounce at some point. So that's kind of, I hope that helps you out. I can't really tell you what to do. You got to do what feels right to you. Who knows? Maybe you move your stop loss up a little bit. It saves your butt and we come down more and you make money. Anything can happen. But I would say just stick to your guns. If you're going to get stopped out for a small loss and take it on the chin. Now, one thing that you could do if you did want to move your stop loss up, I don't recommend it, but if you did, best case scenario, maybe you get a short-term pullback. And even if you don't get into profit, you'll get a little bit of your loss back. And then you can pull out at a smaller loss. But I would recommend stick to your trading plan. That's all I got to say. All right, we got 427 people in here watching concurrently. If you're new, welcome to the Frankie Candles YouTube channel where I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. And we're not lying. The proof's in the pudding, guys. We're up here almost $2,000 as the prices are tanking. So if you want to learn how to make money in a bear market, you're in the right spot. Get into some of these trades and just hold your bucket out and catch the money as it falls from the sky. If you guys want to sign up for Themex to trade to long or short Bitcoin on the way down with a little bit of leverage, definitely check out the links in the description below. The Themex link, you will get a deposit bonus. Depending on how much money you deposit, you will get a return. You will get money deposited into your account from Themex as a bonus. So definitely check out that link in the description below. You get free money and you help your boy out, Frankie Candles, just a little bit. So it's a win-win situation, guys. As I always say, win-win situation. So there you go. I'm also going to go ahead and put the link in chat right here. Bada boom. You could just click it right there, and I will also pin it to the top of the chat. With all that being said, guys, let's get back to the charts here. So V-Slim, I hope I helped you out. We're praying for you. 2130. We're going to put our little line in here, and we'll watch it for you. We'll watch it for you, bro. We're here for you. We're rooting for you. But hey, man, listen, if you come up and get stopped out, brush it off, dude. Brush it off. It's fine. You don't let it freak you out at all. You want to get used to it, right? Maybe you have to numb yourself. Like, get stopped out at a small loss. That's okay. I know it doesn't feel good, but over a long period of time, you'll learn to take it on the chin. Hey, you might already be taking them on the chin. Look at that. You got a little red candle on the 5-minute. Hopefully that breaks through for you. All right, guys. So for Ethereum, oh boy. Look at that. What did we come down to? Oh my gosh. 1900, guys. Oh boy. Bro, wicked right down to basically 2K. Yellow X on the 10-hour, guys. These are no joke. These are no joke. Last yellow X you got technically brought you down 25%. 1, 2. Oh god, man. If this thing brings you down another 25%, where's price right now? Right here. If this brings you down another 25%, we're looking at a $1,500 Ethereum. We are getting down here very quickly, guys. Very, very quickly. 1,500 is not, I was thinking maybe closer to 1,700, but 1,500, I mean, that's not out of the cards. Like I said, we're just getting started here, guys. The prices can come down a lot more. So just get ready. But yeah, 10-hour yellow X, not a good look. 12-hour yellow X, even worse look. 16-hour yellow X, not confirmed, right? Not confirmed, but these are not good, guys. These are signs you do not want popping up. Daily, okay, your daily doesn't have a yellow X, thank God. But let's check the weekly money flow. Is our money creeping towards that zero line? Not ready to cross over just yet. If you're looking to buy Ethereum, I would recommend to wait until you get into the red here with your money flow on the weekly. Probably going to be a real good time to buy Ethereum if you're looking to get in. But yeah, guys, 16-hour yellow X, 12-hour yellow X, 10-hour yellow X. Let's see, 8-hour yellow X. Not a good look, guys. 6-hour. Yeah, 4-hour. Not good. Not good, guys. Not good. Blood diamond on the 3-hour. That played out. Could still have some more pain in store for you. 1 hour. Yeah, guys, these yellow X's on these hourly time frames are not good. Not good at all. But it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. And hey, like I said, we're profiting from this bear market. As you guys can see, definitely making some profits here. And I heard you guys making profits. I saw you in chat shouting me out, saying someone said it. I think it was a crypto or Billy. We out here. Hashtag value. Hashtag bing bong. Let's go. Crypto Billy. Shout out to you, man. I appreciate you. They had some people in chat saying, thank you. They were saying, thank you for everything I learned. Someone said that they, I think they messaged me on Twitter. I forgot where I saw it. I saw it somewhere, maybe in the Discord. Someone was like, I doubled my account in a week after listening, after watching the channel and learning from us on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. So they were just thanking us. Shout out to you, whoever said that. I got to find that. We got to clip these things, use them as testimonials because the Candle Mafia out here trading, baby. But yeah, I know you guys are out there making money too. I'm not just flaunting the money I'm making, guys. The Candle Mafia is making money as well. Maybe we can pull up some screenshots in just a second here. But guys, yeah, we're proofs in the pudding here. This is a real account, KuCoin Futures. This is not a test net. Not that we're pulling in like crazy money, guys. I understand that, this is not crypto face money. This is not, some other traders that you might watch trading with hundreds of thousands of dollars, stuff like that. Listen, I'm just a normal guy, right? So this is decent gains, right? Decent gains. So, but yeah, this is real, guys. This is attainable. This is not impossible. I'm not some super genius. This is, like I said, people like to make trading very complicated. We'd like to simplify it. You don't have to be a super genius. You don't have to be really good at math, right? Math was one of my worst subjects. I actually wound up liking math a lot more as I got older. But like when I was in school, I hated math. Like I think people think you have to be like a data scientist to be a trader. It's not the case. All these flashing numbers on the order book, all these candles, all these signals, like it's not as complicated as it seems. This is very attainable. Especially these numbers are very attainable. I'm not trading with that much money. And that's the beauty of leverage. If you use it, if you use leverage responsibly and you're not using 100x leverage, you can use it as a tool to increase your gains, right? Very, very attainable, guys. And like I said, Femex link in the description, pinned to the top of the chat. It's risky. Leverage trading is risky, but like I said, if you use low leverage, you could use it as a tool. I don't typically trade with anything more than 10x. These trades were 5x. I think the leverage lowered when I added money to the position, and my Femex trades were 6x and 5x. I'm not using any crazy leverage, guys. So yeah, this is you don't have to not only and then you use this money, guys. You use this money that you can make while you're coming down to load back in, right? This is all money. Now I could buy extra XRP. I could buy extra ETH. I could buy extra Cardano, right? And I'm not trading with a big stack of most of my money is sitting in USDT or crypto right now. I'm only using a small portion to trade with, right? So why not flip your money and then roll it back into your long-term holdings, right? Especially when things are on sale like they are right now. Candle Mafia is a fantastic community that I am so happy that I have found. Me and ADHD. Let's go. Let's go. I love that. We'll go to Bitcoin Miami 2023 as a whale due to Frankie Candles. Clip it. It's happening. Thank you. Crypto Billy, let's go. Let's go, Crypto Billy. Shout out to you. I'll see you in the whale room. I will see you with our whale passes. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. Shout out to you, Crypto Billy. Just made 100% gains longing Luna from 102 to 148, baby. Took all my profits. Gonna do Gonna go in for more when the RSIs reset. Let's go. CandleMafia out here. We just throwing the money around, guys. We just out here trading, making the money. We don't care that the markets are going down, guys. We don't care that they're going down. Not only do we not care, we're actually happy because when you start getting into trading, guys, and longing and shorting, it doesn't even matter if you're going up. You just need the volatility, and you can get in, grab your bag, and get the heck out. Shout out to you guys out there killing it. The last time the money flow was this low on the weekly, we dropped another 45% before trading sideways for months and puts us at 18K at a recession, and there's 10K. David, I don't hate that assessment. I don't. I really don't. I think that was very sound. That's very sound analysis right there. Absolutely. Yeah, I mean, when you look back in time, Connor Jenkins, oh wait, no, I'm sorry. Who said that? Devin Jett, yeah. Like I said, you get that big capitulation and then it gets really, really boring, right? And again, something like a recession, we don't know how Bitcoin acts in a recession. We've never seen that as Bitcoin was created in response to a recession. So we don't know how it's going to act. And I would assume it's probably not going to be very good. So maybe that's how we get those, sub 20K, sub 20K numbers, right? Let's see. Don't forget to plug in your laptop. But we're good. We're good. Like I told you guys, I'm an IT professional. 508 people in here. Guys, if you're new to the stream, welcome. I show you guys how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. Smash that like button. Every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure. 2 spots to win a giveaway. I'm giving an NFT away already that we landed on the wheel. Our mod is doubling down, matching my NFT. He's going to give one away. And then one of our awesome community members, Biomex, decided to just donate an NFT to give back to the Mafia because we literally have the best community on YouTube. We give stuff away. We show you how to make money. The community helps the community. It's the best place. Trust me, if you're new, you're in the right spot. We're out here, and we're counting the Benjamins even when the price is going down. All right, let's go. Being honest, I'm going to sit out for a little bit and watch what's going on before getting back in. Jonathan, not a bad strategy. Not a bad strategy. Kryptonic. Hey, Frankie, I wanted to send XRP to my Ledger Nano S and copied my address and everything, but my Ledger didn't say XRP ready to receive. Instead, it said something like, I can review my wallet. Normal? Kryptonic. I'm not a big Ledger guy. I'll be honest with you. I should be. But I'm not. So I'm wrong person. I don't want to give you any bad information because I truly don't know. So I apologize. Is it too soon to long BTC for short bounce? We done dropping for today. Crypto God. Let me answer that real quick for you. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I'll show you what I'm looking for. 2,900 or 29,000. Wowee. I'll show you what I'm looking for as far as a bounce and a possible long. And just so you know, I pointed this out in the Discord before, obviously before this stream. I put this in the Discord yesterday, what I was looking for a possible bounce. And what I'm looking for is green dots to start confirming on these momentum waves to confirm a bullish divergence. And then we will trade that bounce, hopefully going up. The 3 hour, the 4 hour, and the 2 hour are printing those bullish divergences. But you have to wait for those green dots to print, right? They are not printing right now and they're not confirmed. So once they print and confirm, that would be the signal for me to go long. Not you, because this is not financial advice or a trade signal. I'm just saying what I'm going to be doing. What you do with that information is up to you. That's not normal at Alan Ledger. Okay, there you go. See, look at that. Community helping out some Ledger questions. I love it. All right, guys, let's take a look at some of these alts. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's just cut to the chase. This is what everybody wants to see. Let's take a look. Oh, boy. There it is, guys. Luna went to 0. I have nothing against Luna. I truly and genuinely feel for the people who may have had a lot of money in here. Absolutely brutal, guys. Absolutely brutal. I remember yesterday on the stream, I think, what were we at? Like 21? We were like up here somewhere. And I was saying like, yeah, maybe you could come down to here. I think worst case scenario, maybe this gold box. Smashed right through that, guys. Luna went to 0. Not 0, but this is crazy to see a top 10 coin like this come down, right? I've seen rug pulls, I've seen Squid Games, so I've seen plenty of charts that look like this, just never one that wasn't a scam, right? Like this is Luna. Luna is bleeding. This is sad to see. And then what about UST? How is that looking? I actually haven't even looked at that today. Oh. Oh my God, is this right? Oh, okay, it's up here. Oh my God, this thing wicked down to 23 cents. That is insanity. That is insanity, guys. Oh my God, this is crazy. This is a stable coin. For those of you who don't know, this is supposed to be pegged to $1. You see how the price never moves? It never changes. Well, I guess it went all the way up to $1.20. But typically these are pegged to $1, right? So they don't really move much off $1. And look at this thing now. So yikes, at 66 cents. Not looking good. Not looking good. This is why you don't want to back your stablecoin with a volatile asset. I don't know why you would do that. Anyway, if I add money to increase margin till it matches the size, will it not liquidate? Yeah, you could cover. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could. I don't know if I recommend it, but you could cover. You could cover. Manipulated. You see, it was not a scam, but pretty much, yeah. I mean, always rise. Yeah, I mean, I guess technically, USDC is the best. Yeah. A lot of people don't trust USDT. I use USDT. I prefer USDC, but sometimes you got to use USDT. Frankie, for the next giveaway, maybe consider UST and Terra. Hey, it's cheap, right? It's cheap. Are we shorting or longing crypto hash? We are in two pretty massive, not massive. I mean, these are tiny compared to a lot of other people. I understand, but hey, we're the people's channel here. But yeah, two shorts up about 100% each, give or take. So not too bad. Actually making money on these fees as well. So we're just raking in money more ways than one. Also caught 2 more shorts this morning on Femex. These are KuCoin. I just put these in because I had the funds in there. But I typically like to use Femex over KuCoin because KuCoin you're limited to 5x leverage. I don't typically go much over that, but there's just more you can do. It's a little more feature rich on Femex as far as like the futures trading goes. But nonetheless, these are up, looking pretty good. Happy with them. But I did have 2 more trades on Femex this morning. Got out of a 20% ETH trade, and then my Bitcoin trade got stopped out at break even. So I just made some money. And then the other one got stopped out at no loss. So not too bad. Doing good today. The money is literally falling from the skies. We're happy. The price is coming down, but we don't care. We're making money, guys. I like Pax Dollars stable coin backed by gold. Interesting. Frankie Candles, can we have a KuCoin update? KuCoin update as in the KuCoin trades right here. I'll keep them up for a second if you want to take a look at them. Let's see. Where do you see Bitcoin and ETH by the end of summer, 2 to 3 months? I think we could hit the bottom in 2 to 3 months. I'll say that. Whether the bottom's 20K, 25K, 24K, 22K, whatever it is, I think we can hit it in the next month or two. Oh, can we have the bot update? Bot update. Okay. Anyone staking on Celsius wanting to know? Steve Goobleman, now more than ever, we need CandleMafia. Thanks, Frankie. Your info is very valuable. Steve Goobleman, hey, I appreciate you for being here. Thank you very much. We're here. CandleMafia's got your back. We're not scared. We're making money here as the price is coming down. It's fun, guys. It's fun. I feel like we're in a bull run right now. I'm making money. So yeah, that's the plus side of shorting the market, guys. Definitely a fun time. 28.7. Here we go, guys. Maybe we will come down a little bit more. But yeah, so for the bot update, I closed my futures bot, right? It was up 35 bucks. I closed it because I want to take the money and I want to put it. So in the KuCoin bot video, I put in a spot grid bot, right? And so I put it in there in the video, and I took it right out. I actually closed that one right away because I'm going to take a bigger amount of money. I just wanted to enter a trade on the video to show people how it worked. But what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to enter create a new bot with a little bit more money that I will hold longer term to test it over, like, say, a month. And then I'll make a video about that, and then I'll give you guys updates. But yeah, as far as that, I'm closed out of all the bots. The futures bot made like 35, 40 bucks. And then the other spot grid, like I said, it was only open for like 5 minutes, but I think I lost like $3. So positive on the bots so far. But like I said, we're going to do a more in-depth bot review. All right, let's see it. Mr. Ethereum, welcome to the stream. What's going on? Justin Cross, what is going on? St. Nicholas, what is going on? Hey, Frankie, I don't get when you say that we'll have relief in BTC, but we have 30 yellow X's on ETH. Yeah, so listen, actually, let's go ahead and let's just take a look. All right, actually, yeah, 10 hour. Yeah, I mean, ETH, yeah, we got the yellow X's on on Bitcoin as well, right? Let me come down to this other chart where we have the actual golden pocket. Yeah. So, it's not, there is, with all these yellow X's, it's definitely possible that we come down further. But when you have these bullish divergences starting to form, it could be signaling that we're getting close to a bottom, right? Because right here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow X's, right? When you get the fourth, fifth yellow X, it could indicate seller exhaustion, right? So that's kind of, we got the yellow X's on 3 hour, but there's 4 of them. So it could be seller exhaustion. 2 hour, right? You have 1, 2, 3, and then a blood diamond. So, it could be getting exhausted. And then let's see, the 1 hour, you got a bunch of blood diamonds. 4 hour, boom, 1, 2. So maybe this, on the 4 hour, you might have some room for this yellow X to play out a little bit more before we get a bounce. But then, on the 10 hour, like 10 hour yellow X might take a little time to play out, right? So every one of these candles is 10 hours. So, we could get a nice little relief bounce and get like a couple of green candles here before just coming down again. So, and again, that's not to take away from the fact that like this is a hard market to read right now. You're not wrong. With the yellow X's printing everywhere, that's making me feel very, very bearish. But with the bullish divergences forming, that's making me think we could get a bounce. But it's important to know that, I'm not saying we're going to get a bounce here because there's a bullish divergence. What I'm saying is there is a bullish divergence forming here, right? So we could see if these yellow X's decide to push price down further and this wave comes lower, that would invalidate the bullish divergence. So we're not taking the trade because there's not even a green dot here. So there's no bullish divergence. It's just starting to form. So I'm keeping an eye out to see if it forms, right? So if we get a bullish divergence and we start to move up, these yellow X's are not confirmed yet. They can disappear. So I hope that answers your question. I feel like that was kind of all over the place, but hopefully that answers your question. Do you think Luna can recover? And if so, do you think $150 the next bull run is possible? I don't know. They're not abandoning the project, which could happen, right? If they abandon the project, it's over. But they're saying they're sticking to their guns. They're going to prevail. They're going to be back. They're not going anywhere. It's not looking good for them. I'm not saying they can't come back from this, but I mean, who's going to put their money? UST? Who is going to put their money in that knowing that it could crash again, right? Like even if that recovers, the same thing could just happen again. So they would have to completely change the way they're doing their stablecoin. Let's see. Pants off, dance off, Bitcoin pump. Yeah, Emmanuel, when Bitcoin pumps, maybe we'll do a pants off, dance off. We'll do it. What to look for if we don't have Market Cipher on regular TA for a bounce? Andra, I'm so happy you asked because I know I use Market Cipher, guys. I use Market Cipher a lot. I use it every day when I'm not on stream. I use it on stream. I talk about it a lot. I explain how it works. I show you guys how it's so powerful. But I do always cover in our strategy videos, whatever it may be, I do always try to cover, if possible, a way to get these signals with a free indicator because I know it's expensive and not everybody can afford Market Cipher. So let's get rid of Market Cipher. Let's pretend we don't have it. And let's go ahead and see if you pull up the RSI. Here it is. Pull up your regular RSI. Boom. What you're looking for is the same thing, right? We're on the 4 hour here. You're looking for price for the bullish divergences. You're looking for price to make lower lows, which you have right here, as you can see from the line. And you're looking for your RSI to be making higher lows, right? Which you have low, higher low. Now, I don't know how you would equate the confirmation of the green dots to the RSI. I guess what you could look for is you can look for this, actually, let me change, let me just do this real quick. Okay, let's make my brush a little smaller. So you see that you might want to wait for this line on the RSI to actually come down and then move up. So you can draw that line up like that. Right now you can see, it could just keep coming down, right? There's no, it's not bouncing yet. So maybe wait for a bounce, a confirmed bounce in that line on the RSI. So you can draw that diagonal line, and then you have your diagonal line here, and boom, you have a bullish divergence, just like you do on Market Cipher B. So basically, you're just looking for a low and a higher low on RSI instead of the low and the higher low on the momentum waves of Market Cipher B. Same idea, but you don't have to pay for an RSI. There you go. I hope that helped you out. There you go. I'm giving you guys the sauce. You don't even got to buy anything. Listen, I give you this free sauce. I give you the free sauce, guys. Here we go. I hope that helps you. When's a good long, Frankie? My Strong Island brother. Let's go, Robert. What's going on? Just covered it like 2 seconds ago. If you scrub back a little bit, I'll explain it again. Looking for bullish divergences to confirm on the 2, 3, and 4 hour. Thank you for being here, man. Strong Island. Let's go. XRP bounce levels 32 cents, 25 cents. Yeah, we'll take a look at XRP. 1x leverage never liquidates. They did it on purpose with intent to crash it equals manipulated, not impossible. Tyler Durden. Shout out to Tyler. I don't think we shouted out other mods out. Guys, we have Tony D. We got Tyler Durden. Quickest hands in the West. We got Captain Kirk. I don't know if Captain Kirk's in here today. And Crypto Anon. I don't think Anon made it today, but that's okay. We'll see him tomorrow. Yes, my question was answered with the RSI interpretation. Let's go. Ryan, I got you, brother. Got it. Thanks for that, Frankie. That's sauce. Let's go, baby. We're giving you the sauce, guys. I try to make trading zero barrier to entry, right? You don't need market cipher to trade. It helps. Absolutely. Will it make you more profitable? Probably. Does it work? Absolutely. Is it the strongest indicator I've ever used? Absolutely. Do you need it to trade? No. Can you use free indicators to trade? Yes. Can you be a good trader with the free indicators? Yes. So I like to make it, I'm not going to try to be like, you got to get market cipher. I'm going to give you the free stuff too, because I am here for you guys, not me. All right, let's see. Do you know if the blood diamond shows up 0.5 red line on the fib? Seems like it. Ill Hero. Do you know if the blood diamonds show up on the 0.5 red line on the fib level? Seems like it. I'm not 100% sure what you're asking, Ill Hero. I'm sorry. Shout out to the mods. Let's go. Mind looking at ADA. Let's take a look at ADA. There are a lot of USD charts on TradingView. Which one are you looking at? Okay, beautiful. The sauce. I see you. Palmetto Nick. I see you. Always rise. What's going on? All right. Okay. Let's take a look at Cardano. Let me know, ADA gang. Show yourselves. Smash up that like button, guys. We got 500 people in here. Let's go for 500 likes. I think we can do it. If you guys want to win some giveaways or see me do something ridiculous like eat a cricket or wear a crazy hat or a bunch of other crazy things that we do, go ahead and smash that like button. Every 100 likes, you guys get an extra spin. We're already giving away everything. I'm out of Cardano. I've spent all my Cardano. I've given away a lot of my Cardano just to give away at NFTs for you guys, just so you know. Anyway, happy to do it. But here we go. Cardano. Yeah, 50 cents. 1, 2, 3. Might print another yellow X here, possibly for a little more pain before we cool off. But here you go, guys. We're creeping up on this level. I told you guys that ADA could get into the I told you guys that ADA could be getting into the 30-cent territory, but I think it could even maybe go lower, right? We are getting down to this, 38 levels very, very, very quickly, right? We're coming down to the 30s pretty fast. Worst case scenario, I do think, let's go ahead and take a look. Come on, there we go. All right, yeah, so you're probably gonna have some support here. Let's pull up our VPVR. Yeah, I mean, you got more support right here, I would say. Let me grab my box. Let's go boom, and let's go boom, I'd say right here. So I'd say you got another level right here. I mean, you're getting down into the low cents, guys. This is, I know, I know if I said this a week ago, people would have been coming at my neck. They would have been like, no way, it's impossible. There's no way Cardano could get down to the teens. Guys, we're getting into the 30s pretty quickly here. So this is not out of the question. This felt really far away not too long ago. Now it doesn't feel so far away. The same thing can happen right here. But I do think you'll probably land somewhere in the 30s. I think there is a good chance that you probably just hold this level here in this, in this box probably. But if you lose that box, you could easily come down to the teens. That's for sure. So I hope that answers your question, whoever asked for that. Let's see. ADA. Let's go. ADA day. Give out some Luna. Let's go. Thanks, Tyler. If ETH hits 1,700, I am dumping the rest of my cash in. I've been DCAing hard since 2,400. What do you think? This is my strategy. Let's see. Mergy Flawless. I don't hate that strategy. I do think, let's pull up ETH real quick, talk worst case scenario if we are going to continue to see pain here. Yeah, I mean, whoo, baby. Yeah, 1800 on the daily. You do have a high volume node right here, so you are going to see some pretty good support down there if you wind up losing that level. So let's say it gets down to 1700 and you're dumping your money in and you lose support and you come down. I think worst case scenario, you test that last previous all-time high from the last cycle at about 1400. Let's actually go back. What was the last all-time high actually? Bada boom, bada boom. What was it? What was it right here? What are we looking at here? Get this out of my way. Where are we? Where are we? Oh, this is an old, this is not a, this chart has like no history whatsoever. So we can't see. It was around 1400. So I think absolute worst case scenario, you see that. But I think there's a good chance you hold that 18 to 1700, even maybe 15, 1600. Yeah, down here, 1400. Let's wait until we get to this high volume node at about, let's zoom in a little bit. Bada boom. Yeah, down here at about, 17.9, 1800. Let's wait till we get down there. If we get down there, we can start to talk about lower targets. But yeah, probably like 1400 is probably gonna be the next stop. If you lose 1500, you probably get down to 1400. So there you go. I guess we're just talking bear market targets now. Learned how to short. Thanks for the sauce. Love Frankie Candles. Let's go. Centrifuge. That's a pretty cool name. Shout out to you. I hope you're making money, man. That's a very, very powerful thing. Very powerful thing. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So yeah, there you go. Like and comment on the video that Tyler Durden just posted. If you guys want to enter to win a chance to get the giveaway. If you guys want a chance to win the NFTs, just listen to Tyler. I can't talk. Just read Tyler's little message here with the link and like and comment and be a subscriber, and you'll get entered in to win that giveaway. And we're probably going to be giving away a whole lot of NFTs. So shout out to you guys. The market looks like someone went around with a chainsaw and massacred everything. Yeah. Ring, 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 ring. Yeah, just chopping up the markets, guys. Really, really not great. Not great. All right, guys, let's take a look at XRP. Actually, let's take a look. GMT. Actually, yeah, GMT held up today at least a little bit. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at XRP. I know you got... Guys, hang on. Hang on. Gala's at 6 cents, guys. I'm sorry, 8 cents. Actually, wait, hang on. Let's zoom in. No, it's at 6 cents, I think. Yeah, Gala's at 6 cents, guys. Gala's at 6 cents. Gala's at 6 cents, guys. Just 6 cents. Sorry. Just wanted to point that out. 6 cents. Wow. We thought that 18 cent level was strong. Not strong enough. Not strong enough for that bear market. That's right. Does anybody still think we're in a bull market? Or was this like the thing that changed everybody's mind? I don't know. Everybody was screaming bear market. I mean, bull market. How could you think we're in a bear market? I wonder how many people still think it's a bull market, because I'm sure they're out there. I'm sure they're out there. He looks like the IT guy that works for the school district and has had enough. I don't know if you're talking about me. Market cap is 1.2 trillion. Oh my God. Always rise. Wow. Gala. Yeah, guys. Shorts with well-managed leverage positions and really good TA analysis will make a lot of difference in your trades on this bear season. Yes, Ryan, absolutely. Where's my steppin' bros at? Let's go. Ouch. Bro, seriously, what did I say about keeping the sauce off the charts? I'm sorry, guys. It splashes around. When I'm on here giving the sauce out like this, flinging it all over the place, it gets on the charts. I'm sorry. The charts are just looking like me wearing a white t-shirt on a Sunday night, guys. Just red everywhere. But yeah, guys, Gala at 6 cents. I had to shout that out as I see it right here. I mean, we thought 18 cents was a steal. Ooh, baby, 6 cents. Look at that. This thing could go. I mean, how much lower can this thing go? Let's check. Yeah, I mean, it's got room. Dang, this thing went down to 5 cents. Let's go. Oh, baby, guys. This is the time to start paying attention. 40 cents for XRP. Let's take a look, guys. Have completely broken out of this triangle type formation that we have right here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We don't put these lines here for no reason. We do not put these lines here for no reason. We came down almost perfectly to our line there. Let me zoom out a little bit. So there you go. You do have, we could still actually come down and test this a little more. I would even maybe bring this line down a little bit. Yeah, maybe like down something like that ski. Yeah, yellow X on the 2-day. That's not a good look. Wait, is that confirmed? Yeah, that's confirmed. Yeah, yellow X on the 2-day, guys. This thing is coming down. We're in full bear mode, guys. We're just getting started here. We have plenty more room to come down. Wow. Bought 2,500 Terra today. What do you think? Centrifuge, that could wind up, I mean, listen, that thing was at over $100 and you're in the single digit dollars. I mean, if that thing goes back to $50, if that thing goes back to $25, you're going to be in great shape. Assuming it goes back. So, yeah, I mean, hey, if that thing gets a lackluster pump next cycle, you pump from, $5, wherever you got it, to $15, that's a good gain. If it goes back up into the hundreds, you make a lot of money. So, the market is just ... That is right. Bitcoin to 11 to 14K this bear market. Hey, Armando, not out of the question. Not out of the question. Let's see. These are really unbelievable prices, guys. Absolutely. Just buckle up, guys. Buckle up. You think these prices are crazy. I actually just made some homemade hot sauce for some grilled chicken in real life. Let's go. Let's go, Palmetto. My buys at the bottom: Gala, Ada, Crow, Adam, Ethan, BTC. Looney, great picks. Great picks, Looney. Looney, did you get your NFT? You won an NFT, right? Let me know if you got that. I think you did. Are you BitBoy's mate? Yes, I am BitBoy's mate. Yes. Catch me on BitBoy Crypto morning stream every single weekday at about 12 o'clock. Yes, BitBoy is my mate. We love BitBoy. I love BitBoy. I know someone who dumped 5K into Terra at $3 recently. Oh, boy. Might be a good move. Who knows? But yeah, guys, 32 cents. I said, we were saying yesterday, I wanted to bring this up. We were saying yesterday, bear market targets for XRP in the 30s. We are currently at 45 cents. We are getting down there pretty quickly. It seemed far away, and just like that, one little big dump, and we get pretty close. 32 cents right here. This white line's 32 cents. We could definitely come into the 30s, even down to this point of control at about 29 cents, and maybe even lower, guys. There's no telling how low we can go. Let's actually go ahead and take a look. What is this? 2018. Let's go ahead and look at Cardano. Let's take a look at Cardano. I know we already looked at it, but let's look at, kind of what bear markets do, right? This doesn't go back enough. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a better ADA chart with more price history so we can kind of get an idea of how low these coins can go. Let's see. This has got to be... God, why? Hang on. Guys, we'll find it. We will find it. Bitfinex? No. Where's Bitstamp? Bitstamp usually has. All right. Well, maybe we're not going to find it. Come on. Well, we could try to find another coin. If you look at how much these coins drop, altcoins usually get crushed like 90% from their all-time highs. If we go back to XRP, what was its all-time high this cycle? God, what a sad, sad thing. $2. Come on. What a waste. What a waste. But, if we see this thing crushed, 90%? 90%, you're looking at 18 cents. Not out of the question, guys. Not out of the question. Some even get crushed 95%. So, 95% roughly would bring you to about, oh boy, to about 9 cents. We'll have to see what happens, guys. We'll have to see what happens. That's pretty low, but we'll have to see. All right, G's at ADA, lol. If only I had my 4K that I invested in ADA a year ago right now. Yes, absolutely. What indicator has the yellow X's, red dots, and green dots? Robert, that is Market Cipher. Market Cipher. Use discount code Tyler. I think Tyler or Tony know the discount code. I think it's MCFrank20, and I think you could get 20% off. Bing bong. What's up, Centrifuge? Let's go. Bing bong. All right, guys, let's go ahead. We looked at XRP, talked about some bottom targets. Gala, I don't even really want to open that chart again. That is making me not happy. Bitcoin. She coming back down? She coming back down? Let's go to this chart. Yeah, she is. She's coming back down. All right. Let's see if we can get this bloody thing down. Oh, boy. MCFrank20. There you go. Hey, Bob Parisi. I was just thinking about you. That's my dad, guys. My dad is in chat, the ultimate godfather of the Candle Mafia. Make sure you show him some respect, guys. because he is the Godfather. I'm just consigliere, guys. I'm just the son. I'm just the son. I'm Frankie Candles. I might be, I might be a soldier, but I'm not the Godfather. Show some respect to Mr. Parisi in the chat. Thanks for being here, Dad. I was talking to you about this. I was talking to you about this too, Dad. This crash was coming. I was letting you know I think we can come down a lot, and here we are. Here we are. Bitcoin at $28,000. Ethereum at $2,045. XRP 40 cents. These, I think we could still have some more room to come down, guys. Definitely not the end. Let's check in on the trades. Are we still up? There we go. 123% on our Ethereum trade. 103% on the Bitcoin trade. Both up over $1,000. Can't be too bad about that. As you guys know, Hyra, hey, there we go. Showing, hey, what up, Pops? Hi, I'm Matt Damon. It's a metal card. Okay. The Don Godfather. Boppity beepity boopity. I'm not going to read that last one. All right, let's see. Do you think we can open a short for ETH? Guys, we have the yellow X's popping up everywhere. I would just watch those bullish divergences because you don't want to catch yourself trying to short. I guess you're not catching a falling knife, but you're like, what happens if you if you short support? I guess you're like, I don't know. You're like trying to, I don't know how to say it, but you got the yellow X's everywhere. They can bring you down a lot. It's hard to say though. Right now, we are not printing a green dot on the 4-hour or the 3-hour or the 2-hour or the 1-hour. So, I mean, the bullish I think we could continue to come down a little bit more, but you want to watch out for these green dots because if those green dots start printing and confirming, we can see those yellow X's possibly disappear on those higher time frames, and then we come up for a little bit of a bounce. We are due for a bounce at some point, but I don't think the pain is over, guys. You have to understand we are going to go into we are in a bear market. The bear market is going to last a very long time. It is going to, this is likely just the beginning of these prices, guys. Like I said, not a bad time to start DCAing in, but you don't want to, maybe not want to be dumping, not financial advice, but you might not want to be dumping all of your money in at these prices. Granted, you'll still get a pretty good entry in the next cycle when you come back up. You'll still get a good, if you are buying these prices. If you bought the top of this cycle, if you bought Bitcoin at 69K and you still hold it, in the next cycle, you're still gonna most likely be up big time. So not a bad time to start DCAing in, but I'm just saying there is a likely chance that we have much more pain in store, much more pain. So just keep that in mind. I have 20,000 XRP bought in at $1. Is it the best decision to hold? Thanks, Frankie. Josh, not financial advice. I can't tell you what to do. You're gonna have to do what feels good to you. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm holding my XRP. I am just going to hold it. I have a lot of money sitting in stable coins ready to buy this dip or buy this put into the bear market. But my XRP, I'm just going to hold because you know what? I'm going to hold it and I'm going to buy more at the bottom. Because if they settle this lawsuit in the bear market, I think we could still see a pump. Now, it's going to be severely suppressed by the bear market, right? So it's not going to explode like it would if it happened in the middle of a bull market. If XRP won the lawsuit in the middle of a bear market, that thing would go insane. Now, it would most likely see some good price action in a bear market too, but it's going to get suppressed, right? There's not as much attention on it. But I am holding it. I'm going to buy more at the lows. I have a lot of stable coins on the side to buy this dip. So I'm comfortable holding mine. But for you, you're going to have to hold out. If we were looking at some of our targets into the 20 cents, something 30 cents, 20 cents for XRP at the bottom of the bear market, maybe it would make sense. But I don't know. If you're at a loss right now in your XRP, I never recommend selling in the red. Not financial advice, but hopefully, I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing. That's all. Are we going to see 18K BTC? Not impossible. Arrow, not impossible. Hi, Cap. You've been forgiven. Captain's here. Hey, fam. Sorry I'm late. 18 hours last night. Captain, no problem. You're out there working hard. And the Bears are out here working hard as well. So thank you for being here, Captain. We appreciate you. Let's see. All these entries are good for me, but going to hold off some. Yeah, that's what I mean. I would buy a little bit at these prices, granted, but I am going to hold off a little bit. I think we're going to come down a little bit more, guys. If we go into a full bear market, this is just the beginning, guys. Just wait. Just wait. But just so you guys know, there's going to be a lot of attention coming off of crypto in a full bear market. People are going to leave the space. people are going to forget about crypto. People are going to call it a scam. There's going to be news articles. Told you, Bitcoin's a scam. It's all over. They said it in 2017. It's funny. If you were in 2017 and you paid attention through the bear market, you'll notice a lot of the same stuff happening. Every bounce we got, everyone was calling for all-time highs, saying this time's different. They did the same thing in 2018. Every bounce. This time's different. We're going back up. And then it's not until the very bottom that people call a bear market. So I caught a little hate. I caught a little hate when I started calling that, this could be a bear market. We're probably going to come down a lot. I got a lot of hate, but I mean, it is what it is, guys. There's nothing you can do. The bulls, the perma bulls are going to be calling, this time's different, just like they did in 2018. It looks like we're seeing the same thing play out this cycle. History does repeat itself. People call you crazy when you say that, but hey, that's why we're here. But just so you guys know, we will be here through the bear market for you. We're not giving up on crypto. I will be making content the same amount I do now. I'm going to be doing just as many videos, probably even more, right? We're going to do live streams every single day. I will be here to give you guys the information you need to know. And if you tune in and you stay up to date and you keep up during the bear market, that's when you get into these coins super early and get those 20Xs, those 50Xs on your gains, right? It's going to be fun in the bear market because we're going to be looking at these cheap coins and thinking about how high they can go. And, if you want to catch those gems while they're cheap, you got to pay attention to the bear market. So stay tuned, guys. We're not going anywhere. So, although it will be boring, but it won't be as many people here. And like I said, we make money going up or down. So we don't need a bull run to make money. So I'm making money in the bear market. And so are you guys. So, just want to point that out. We are going to be here through the bear market. We're not going anywhere. All right. Never been so excited to watch myself lose money. Yeah, me too, guys. I got some, I took a lot of profits, but I still have some crypto that's bleeding. But I'm making money on the other end of it, right? And it's going to go back up. So we're just going to scoop out. The worst thing you could do is if you're at a loss right now, the worst thing you can do is sell in the red. Don't sell in the red, guys. I know it goes against your instinct. You want to sell in the red. Your money's going away. Just don't do it. You only lose the money if you hit the sell button. In the next bull run, the only time I would ever recommend selling in the red is like if you need that money to take care of your kids or something, right? At that point, maybe you got to take the loss because you got to feed your kid. But if that's not the case and you can hold off, you don't need that money for something absolutely dire, let it sit. The next cycle will come. The halving will come. Bitcoin will become twice as hard to mine at the halving. That will happen. That's not going to go away. That's going to happen, and there's going to be another bull run, right? So just hold out. Just wait. Trust me. People bought 20K. People bought the top of 2017, and they rode it all the way to the bottom. Right now, they are still in profit. They are still in profit. If Bitcoin goes to 24K, they're still in profit, and they bought the top of the last cycle. So if you bought the top of this cycle and you do not absolutely need that money to take care of your family, hold it, because in the next cycle, you're going to be up big time. Not financial advice. I should say you'll probably be up big time. Who knows who knows? Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe aliens will invade us before that happens. I don't know. But anyway, full disclosure, Frankie, between me and you, okay, lean in now. I've been in bear mode since 62K. Trust the algorithm. Yes, Justin. Yes, let's go. Yes. There you go. Shout out to you, Justin. Justin Fritter. Let's go. I am out of here all. It's midnight where I am. School night, so I need to take the kids to school tomorrow. Take everyone and have an awesome day. Have a good one. Me and ADHD. Thank you for being here. We'll see you next time. 526 people in here, guys. Let's run it up to 550. If we get 550 likes, I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel. There you go. We hit 550 likes. I think that would be an all-time high for us. I'll give you guys 10 spins. Run it up to 550, 10 spins. And yeah, we'll probably just I don't know. We get 550, we'll do something cool. All right. Let's see. Greetings from South Africa. Quag, what is going on? Thank you for tuning in from so far away. Did you check Hex? I had to change and find it. No, we did not check Hex yet, Hodge. Aliens. Let's go. All right, guys. We covered ETH. We covered Bitcoin. We covered XRP. We looked at Cardano. We looked at Gala. We looked at, let's check the DXY. Now, this is interesting. This is interesting, guys. The DXY, or the US dollar index, as you guys know, moves inverse to Bitcoin. So not shocking that we're seeing some upward price action for the DXY. I mean, it looks to me like we're holding this as support, and we could continue higher, right? What's the daily look like? Yeah, I mean, we could see more strength. Not going to be looking good, guys, for, SPY 392. Guys, the S&P, obviously, Bitcoin typically moves with the S&P. And here we are, not crazy. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, there it is, guys. There it is. We have it on the 4-hour? Yep. Oh, God. I need somebody just to clip important things that I say. Guys, we were looking at this. I said the yellow X is coming twos. We see one brings us down. You get a fake out pump. You come down again. I said if we start seeing another yellow X print on this 4-hour for the SPY or the S&P 500, it's not going to look good for Bitcoin. There it is, folks. You cannot make it up. We called this, I don't even remember when, maybe a week ago or a couple days ago. I brought it up a few times. I said we don't want to print another yellow X on the 4-hour. I felt like it was going to happen. There it is, guys. Not a good look. This could bring us down. This one brought us down technically 7%. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good at all. I would be worried. I would be worried about the S&P, right? And then again, I like to bring this up. When we saw that blood diamond on the weekly for Bitcoin, I mean, this is in April. This is April 18th, 2022. Saw it on Bitcoin. We also saw it on the SPY. This is something that we could have made confirmation. We got a weekly blood diamond on Bitcoin, right? That's very, very bearish. And then you check the SPY, you got a blood diamond on the weekly for the SPY as well. There's confluence there. And they move with each other, right? So if you're seeing bearish signals on a high time frame of the SPY, you can expect price to come down. And if you're seeing it on Bitcoin as well, and they move together, that's confirmation. And they both came down. They were calling us crazy, and now look at us. So these blood diamonds on the weekly are nothing to play with. But yeah, definitely not looking good. I mean, that 4-hour yellow X as well, probably not looking good for the S&P. If I had to say, anything can happen, but it's not looking great. You did print a green dot, but you printed that red dot right after it. I mean, let's see, as far as your next support levels. Yeah, I put one right here. Yeah, I mean, 383, another. Yeah, maybe even a little higher, maybe a 386, something like that. This yellow X could totally just bring us down here. I'm just going to say that right now. 386. This yellow X has the potential to bring us down here. Just saying it now. Somebody clip it. Maybe it happens. Maybe it doesn't. I've been wrong before. I'm wrong sometimes. It's fine. No one's right 100% of the time, but I'm just going to say it right now. Someone wants to clip it. This yellow X can bring us down to 386. All right. Let's see. And maybe we should do like compilations, right? We'll like put it out on socials, right? Like where I say something, I predict something, and it happens. But then we'll also hilariously do it the other way too, where I'm like, guys, it's gonna go down, and then it rips, and I'm completely wrong, and we'll put those out too, because nobody's right 100% of the time, guys. All right, let's see. Frank, is it time to buy or do I wait? I can't tell you what to do. I am waiting a little bit longer. I am waiting, and if I am buying, I'm putting a little bit in. I'm just DCAing in. Put a little bit in now, put a little bit in tomorrow, put in a little bit in next week, and you buy on the way down. There you go. That's what I'm doing. Don't leave crypto if you can. Long game. Absolutely. People who stick around for the long term are the ones that make the money, guys. Emery Thompson, what is going on? Thank you for being here. More pain coming. Ben, I think there is more pain coming. Frankie Damas. Let's go. Frankie Damas. Hey, Blanchard's Bees. Hey, strangers. Who else is crying and buying? Blanchard's. We are, hey, Blanchard's, check it out. We're shorting, baby. We're shorting, Blanchards. We're laughing and buying and crying a little bit too, because some of the long-term bags are bleeding. But big deal. Whatever. They'll come back. Bing bong. What's up, Flex? What is going on? School's in session. Let's go. Always rise. Just put my last $20 on Gala. She's so low. Gala is very low. Green dot just printed on the Bitcoin 1 hour. There we go. See, somebody's watching the charts. Let's get it. Let's take a look at it. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. I don't know why it took me so long. There you go. There's your green dot. There's your green dot. Not looking bad. So there you go. Now, not confirmed, but bullish divergence. is forming, right? Still have 55 minutes to confirm that green dot. I don't recommend front running signals, but if you do front run, you most likely will get a better entry. So you take a higher risk, but you could get a better entry. So use that for what it's worth. When are you buying Ben the Bear t-shirt? Yeah, maybe we'll do that. That would be funny. I don't know if I'll wear it, but let's see. And a higher low on the 15 and 30. Okay, Luna is safe. Is a safe $0 project or still have hope? Hard to say. Hard to say. Coinbase, proud, disabled withdrawal button. Oh boy. All right, let's see. Let's check some of these lower time frames, guys. Yeah, I mean, so we're looking for money flow on these higher time frames. So yeah, let's see. You're in the red. Money flow coming up on the 1 minute. Money flow coming up on the 5 minute. 6 minute money flow coming up. And then 12 minutes starts to slow down. You might be finding a bottom there. 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute coming up. 24 minute coming up. 30 minute coming up. 45 minute coming up. Not looking bad, guys. Not looking bad. I think 90 minute actually not looking too great, but let's see. 1 hour. Yeah. Let's see. What's the 4 hour looking like? What's that VWAP doing? Yeah, nothing. All right. We could get a bounce here. We could get a bounce. The money flow coming up on the lower time frames. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour starting to print bullish divs starting on the lower time frames. But yeah, be careful out there, folks. Be careful. But, there's got to be some relief at some point. There's got to be some relief. Let's see. 6 minute. Yeah, back up to the top of the golden pocket. I mean, yeah, a little trigger wave on the 6 minute as well. Interesting. Just put a Winnie the Pooh with Ben's face photoshopped on the shirt. I'm using KuCoin Shortbot. Let's go, Mike J. Let's go. Coinbase might go bankrupt. Yeah. Luna's greatest comeback in history. Possible? Oh, maybe. What do you think of buying UST, Frankie? Never had it, but do you believe it will go back to $1 from South Africa? Money worth nothing here. Jed, you like a crayon to snack on? Why is Phantom crashing so hard? Because everything is crashing super hard right now, Flex. That's what I would say. Tron holding strong. You shouldn't keep your coins on an exchange for long-term holdings. Anyway, yeah, good advice. All right. What was the question? I don't know. I think it's a risky play to buy UST. Do you buy UST and it shoots back up to $1? Maybe. Possible. I don't know. Hello, Mr. Candles. Chris Schaefer, what is going on? Welcome back. What is going on, man? 493 people. Guys, 550 likes. 600, we're doing something crazy. 600 likes, we're doing something nuts. All right. So 2/3 of my portfolio is in the red, but it's cool. Ride the bear, baby. Ride the bear. Yeehaw! I wish I had my cowboy hat. Most people might think this is the bottom. Short city. DJ Mad, I feel you. Thank you for answering me, Frankie Candles. Flex, no problem at all. I will always try to answer everybody. All right. These stream numbers are wild tonight. Let's go, everyone. Thank you, and big thanks to this community. Absolutely, Tony. Absolutely. We're running it up today. We're running it up. All right. If you guys want to see some altcoins, go ahead and throw them in chat. And, the mods will make a little list, and we'll take a look at them. I'm probably not going to do, real TA on them today. I'm probably just going to look at them and be like, oh my God, it's down 87%, and it's going to be fun. And I'll try to give you guys super low targets that I think they can reach. Boom. Okay, Captain Kirk, right on it. If we hit 600, I'll double my NFT. I will too. If we hit 600 likes, I will automatically give away another NFT. Tony will automatically give away another NFT. And I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel, which God knows how many NFTs that'll be. And then we'll probably have to cool it off a little bit because we're going to go broke. What do you think of Ripple? And thanks for answering the question, buddy. Jed, no problem. I would go ahead and say I think they're going to win the lawsuit. I could be wrong. I think they're going to win. I don't really see a way that they lose. They settle, they get a slap on the wrist, whatever it is. But I don't think they're just going to die. VeChain, Solana, please. Illuvium. Oh, COPI. Okay, ADA Board. Okay, yes. Let's check it. Yeah, 8 at 6 cents. Z-Melt, we were just talking about that. Absolutely insane. COPI. I will take a look at COPI if there's a trading view chart, which I have a feeling there probably is not going to be. Yeah. I am sorry. I would try to pull it up on PooCoin, but I don't want to spend too much time. I don't know what COPI is. I'm sorry, but there's no chart. I apologize. I wish I could look at it. I can give away many dead ETH NFTs. VeChain, boom. I can't wait to see next week prices. Hey, let's check Nomics. Let's check Nomics and let's see what they are predicting. Boom. Unlock. Yes, I'm not going to trade based off of this, obviously. Bitcoin. Okay, guys. They were actually pretty close last time. Their 7-day prediction for Bitcoin is 32 and 2,400 for ETH. It would line up. It would line up to get a bounce. If we're going to get a bounce somewhat soon, this would line up. So, yeah, interesting. If you guys don't know about Nomics, yeah, just red theme today. It is basically CoinMarketCap with a bunch of other features. They do have a 7-day prediction feature, right? Don't recommend trading this, but it is interesting to see what they think. So very interesting. So maybe we get back up to 32, possibly. So we'll have to check that out. But let's go ahead and check on, let's check some of these alts. Let's check some of the alts. Let's see. Thanks, Tony. Solana. Let's take a look at Solana, guys. Solana, super cheap, guys. Absolutely insane. Sorry, I do like to keep a lookout on, keep an eye on these trades, guys. Look at this, guys. I'm making money in these fees. Up $5 on the fees. $10. Like I'm making $10, not even on the trade, just the fees. All right, let's go, guys. Shorting the market is the best thing to ever exist. It makes bear markets fun. You can make money in the bear market, guys. Unbelievable. Love it. Anyway, I can't wait to see next week's price. Oh, we just read that. Okay. Let's see. BTC number 8 now. Go Hex. Can you look at Sheeb? Yeah, sure. Well, actually, yeah. Let's start with Sheeb. You know what? Let's start with Solana. We're already on it. Solana at $48. If you guys didn't know, Solana's all-time high was like $260, right? Give or take. Solana's $40. That is out of control. Absolutely out of control. It wicked all the way down to $42. That's insane. That $43. That's insane. But yeah, you know, going to be very dependent on what Bitcoin does, guys. Obviously, 570 likes, guys. So close. Let's go. 600 likes. We getting it tonight. All right. So yeah, I mean, low targets. Let's pull up the weekly. Actually, let's go back to the daily. Boom. So let's see. Low targets. I mean, you're sitting on support right here. You know, boom. I mean, probably boom. Probably boom. Here's some more targets. You know, you do have a decent bit of different, you know, just, I mean, basically this whole area is going to be support. If you guys wanted individual levels, you know, roughly drawn, you know, in 30 seconds right here, I would say, you know, $35. And then $30 even, going to be some psychological support right there. So there's some levels you can look out for Solana in the short term. You know, absolute worst case scenario in a full bear market. If you go, you know, 260 was the top, we'll call it, right? Give or take a few bucks. 95%, if we see that, would be $12. That would be time to buy. But yeah, you do have a lot of support in this range here that I just brought up. So keep an eye on these levels. Yellow X on the daily, guys. Like I said, I know it's not easy to just trust these signals when you don't have price action, right? You know, if we go to regular candles here, I know, you know, it's not always easy when, you know, when you're looking at the charts and you see a yellow X and the price looks like this, right? You're at support, right? We're back in time now. You're at support. You see a yellow X. You're thinking, is this going to break through and bring us all the way down? Or is this just a fluke and are we going to bounce here? We have support and it's already at $81. This thing had a high of 260. Can we really go lower? And I know it's hard to trust it, but we saw this. I'm sure we called it. If we looked at Solana at any point while this yellow X was here, I called it out and I told you guys it could bring us down. We most likely back tested it and saw how brutal they were in the past, and we estimated where it could bring us. And I know it's hard, but look how it played out. Look how that played out, right? You can trust the yellow X's. Maybe they don't play out 100% of the time, but if you back test them, they're very reliable. And I mean, if you saw this, you could have just shorted this. Oh, man. There's gains to be made, guys. Gains to be made. Market Cipher is magic. Market Cipher is absolute magic. But here we go. Yeah, so there's Solana. Let's move on here. Thanks for all the help, brah. Watch you every day. Jed, I appreciate you, man. I am here for you. This is why I do it. Coming on these live streams and hanging out with you guys is why I don't mind working a lot. I work a lot, guys, but I don't mind it. Number one, I love what I do. I genuinely love TA. I genuinely love trading. I genuinely love crypto, but coming on this live stream and hanging out with such cool people every single day is what keeps me going. Because it gets tiring, right? It gets tiring. It gets frustrating working a lot, right? But this keeps me going. So shout out to you guys. Best community on YouTube. Absolutely. I actually, turns out we had somebody call Hit Network for a potential client that wanted some video production services. Because if you guys don't know, we also have a big media company. We do high-end production, stuff like that. And apparently a client called and they found out that Hit Network was connected with BitBoy Crypto. And one of our sales guys was like, hey, man, just so you know, someone called a potential client for a video. And he said he was a big fan. So blows my mind. Blows my mind, guys. Shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. Get it? 600 likes. So close, guys. So close. All right, let's see. Luna, H-Bar, Matic. Luna, guys, I mean, let's just, boom. Luna is done. Luna is at $0. I don't know. This is market. This is Luna's market cap. Still absolutely wrecked. But guys, yeah, Luna is wrecked. So yeah, we already looked at Luna. Like, there's really nothing that I'm going to be able to see on this chart that's going to tell you that it's okay. If you're looking for someone to say it's okay, I can't say that. I don't know if it's going to be okay. They said they're not going to abandon the project, so that's a good thing. But can they dig themselves out of this hole? I don't know. I'm not willing to put a prediction on that. But yeah, I don't know if TA is really going to work on this right now. This thing is just wrecked. So I'm sorry. H-Bar, let's take a look at H-Bar. Is it back at 3 cents yet? If H-Bar goes back to 3 cents, I'm going to put my net worth, my entire net worth into it. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I'm not actually going to do that. That would be irresponsible. Maybe I will. I don't know. Just kidding, guys. Anyway, H-Bar, 9 cents, baby. Come on. Few more. Get back down there. Come to our white line, and I'm buying. Let's see. H-Bar, we kind of did this yesterday with a lot of coins, like our worst case scenario. H-Bar, 4 cents. If we can get down here, I'm looking to pick up heavy. And then you do have a big point of control, high volume node down here at about 3 cents. We go down there, I'm going to buy even more. What was your college degree? If you don't mind me asking, Frankie. Ryan, I have a college degree in getting rich trading crypto. It was a new program that my college offered. I was one of the first people in the program. Obviously, I'm kidding, guys. No, I went to college for communications with a concentration in TV and video production. So yeah, I do have a background in TV. I've worked in TV. Actually got lucky, knew a couple people in the industry when I was younger. So I actually started working on like TV shows and like commercials and stuff when I was 18 years old. So I got an early start in that business. But I've always been, I mean, been doing crypto for a while now, but have been I was always very interested in stocks, always very interested in reading charts, technical analysis, being a trader. I've always been interested. Always kind of like was like a little thing I always kept up on. But then, in 2016 is when I started really kind of getting into crypto and kind of doubling down on learning. And that's really when I started taking it really seriously. I went through my first crypto cycle and there was no looking back from there. So Yeah, there you go. My fave is Solana. Sheeb is a second. Oh, God. Sheeb. Luna, please, Frankie. We just looked at Luna. Sorry, Saucy. Hey, Saucy. Hey. I'm not going to go back over it. There's really nothing that the charts can really tell me right now that is going to really help Luna's situation. I said this just before. They're not abandoning the project. That is a good thing. They said they're going to stick to it. They're going to dig themselves out of this hole. Hard to say with Luna. Hard to say. My heart goes out to all those people that lost money. It's a horrible thing. But there's really nothing that the charts are going to be able to tell me that is going to make you feel any better. I'll just be honest with you. All right, let's see. And that is the sauce. Let's go, Ryan. Let's go. You got 607. Hey, let's go, guys. This is an all-time high. We are now in like discovery for the like button, guys. Price discovery for the like button. We have just broken a new all-time high for the like button. Crypto's crashing. The shorts are through the roof. The likes are through the roof. Let's get it, guys. We're going to do something crazy. Hey, bro. Good stuff. You were saying price could go down a lot lower. Been DCAing in for investment portfolio on ETH and BTC since 2.3 and 33. Should I stop and trade instead of long term? No, you don't have to trade if you don't want to. Listen, 2,300 and 33K aren't horrible places to buy. And if you're DCAing on the way down, I would just maybe continue DCAing on the way down. Maybe buy a little now, right? And maybe wait to come down a little bit lower and buy again. Not horrible. Not a bad strategy, man. I think you're doing good. Loki, I think Crypto Walker, you're doing fine, man. Keep doing your thing. If it's working for you, it's not like you're buying the top. Even if you put all your money in right now, in the next cycle, if we go to new all-time highs, you're going to be well in profit. But maybe just keep buying on the way down. Congrats, Frankie. No, thank you, Hope. I appreciate you, Hope. Thank you. 10 spins. We'll do it. 10 spins. No problem. 616, guys. We're 619. We're running it up. 650. Dare I say 650 likes? Let's go. Let's go, baby. Chemistry, bro. What is going on? Dude, why is USDT depegging a little scarier than UST? Wait, what? Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. What the heck is going on, guys? Interesting. All right, interesting. Okay. Oh, God. I'm putting 100x leverage on Frankie's YouTube popularity. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 100x Frankie Candles. Let's get it. Let's get it. 100x this man. 100x the CandleMafia. All that money fell off camera. None of that came in frame. That was an epic fail. It all went far. I'm going to have to clean this up. Yes, 100x Frankie Candles and the CandleMafia, guys. We are going to the moon, guys. Let's run it up, guys. We are getting our name on that building. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care how far NFT Alpha is. I don't care how far Meta Money is. We're getting up there, guys. We're in the last place right now. We're the new kids on the block. They have a head start. But guys, we were stretching. We're stretching, right? We're getting loose. And we're about to catch these boys. We're about to at least catch them, if not surpass them. And I think you guys are going to get us there. We got to be close to, 13K, which is huge, guys. We're creeping up. We went from 12K to 13K faster than I think we've made a jump ever. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go to the YouTube studio. If we're not there already, maybe we'll pull up the live counter. Let's go, guys. We hit 13,000 subscribers. We got 13,046 subscribers. So if you're watching right now and you're new, we just hit a big milestone. Try to run us up to 14K. Let's get it, guys. Definitely, if you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and get yourself some of these gains. Get yourself some of these gains, even if price is coming down. We're doing this every day. I'm showing you guys how to find good entries. I'm showing you guys strategies. I'm showing you guys everything. We do it every single day. All you have to do is tune in, hold your bowl of macaroni, and let me take my ladle and take that wooden spoon and put some sauce on your macaroni so you guys can be out there doing the same thing I am and profiting off of these dumps and just living life, guys. Living life. Let's go. Thank you to all new subs, and thank you to all the new people in here. We're the best community on YouTube, and it's not me. I'm not saying like I make this the best community. It's the community that makes this show amazing. So shout out to you guys. Frankie Candles to the moon. Let's go. Do we get 20 spins for 1,000 likes, guys? If we get 1,000 likes, I'll stream for 24 hours. I will stream all night and then all day tomorrow until 24 hours. If 1,000 likes, I will not leave the office. I will stay right here. Rolex wearing soon. Rolex soon. Rolex soon. We're going to get a Rolex. Guys, a fun fact about me. I don't wear jewelry, right? But I do like, listen, when I got the money to just spend and not have to worry about it and get some ice, I was talking to people in the office about this today. I was glad I'm not the only one. I might get a nice little chain or something. Not yet, but one day. I like diamonds. I think diamonds are cool. I like the way they look. It's interesting. I'm actually into gemology a little bit. This is weird that I'm telling you guys this because you wouldn't expect this from a crypto guy. But yeah, gemology is cool. Very cool. Interesting. Anyway, hey, Frankie Candles, what are the fib targets on XRP? Let's go ahead and take a look. XRP, bada bing. Fib targets, let's go to the daily. Bada boom. But my whole point to talk about those diamonds, guys, Rolex and iced out Rolex is like one of my dream things. If I could get a bust down Rolex, that's like one of my dream possessions. For some people, it's a mansion. I mean, I want a mansion, a Lambo too. But for some people, it's those things. Iced out Rolex, bust down Rolex, and that's like one thing that that's like one goal. I want to bust down Rolex. They're just cool. I like the way they look. Frankie, you started on USDT and got distracted by your deserved success. Haha. Why is USDT having issues? Any idea? Yeah, let's just go back real quick to USDT before we come back to XRP. Yeah, I don't know. It's happened before. I mean, I don't know why this is happening, but this is actually kind of sketchy, to be honest. I mean, we're having I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's gonna dump like Luna's stable coin, but yeah, I mean, I don't know why this is happening, but it's definitely happening. I mean, 99, they do fluctuate. I mean, this was nothing to cause alarm. Even when we came all the way down here, it was at 99 cents. I don't know. I'm not really worried. But definitely a little bit sketchy. But yeah, all right, let's go to XRP, guys, and let's go ahead and see if we can find some fib targets here. I mean, let's just pull it all the way. Let me turn off market cipher A. Bada boom, boom. To the all-time his eye. Yeah, I gotta change the levels on my fib. Yeah, I mean, yeah, not really finding anything here. I gotta get more levels on here. But as of right now, nothing. But as far as what we have, I got 32 cents. We also have a high volume node right here at about 29 cents, 30 cents even. Probably going to find some pretty good support in this area. All right, Matic, 700 likes, and I add a third NFT. Smash it. I'll double down on my NFTs too if you hit 700, guys. All right, let's go. 482 people still in here. Captain Kirk says, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Links down below. Let's go. Shout out to Captain Kirk. We love you. Yeah, well, at least USDC is holding strong. That's right. All right. What are we going to look at? I just saw it. Matic Network. Boom. Actually. All right. Boom. This thing is crushed. Let's pull up the VPVR. Huh? Okay. VPVR. Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, I would say like right here. Boom. 47 cents. 47 cents, you got a little bit of support. Right now, you're coming in at 76. Holding support there. You don't have much here to save you. So if you break this again, you're probably going to wick down. Yeah, I guess put another line right there. Yeah, I would say 60 cents even. is probably going to give you a nice little bounce. And then 47 cents as well, probably going to give you a little bounce ski. Yeah, a little bounce right there too at about, about 48 cents, maybe even just 50 cents even. Yeah, I would call it 50 cents even. You got that psychological support. So yeah, there's some levels to watch on Matic. But yeah, absolutely crushed. How far are we from the all-time high? Boom, about 78%, wicked all the way down to about 80%. Yeesh, not looking good, guys, not looking good. Let's see, still a good time to short. What up with Solana? How do we win the NFT? If you want to win the NFT, Tyler Durden will probably put some instructions here. Great success. Let's go, Saint Nick, let's go. Is it still a good time to short? Hard to say. Listen, if I'm not looking to enter a short right now. I'll say that. I'm in shorts, but I'm not looking to add to them or get into any new ones as of right now, as we're starting to print some bullish divergences. So yeah. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, I would wait for an entry. Yeah, there's no real... Yeah, I mean, if you start printing more yellow X's on these lower time frames, maybe we come down and push through those bullish divergences. How's that green dot doing on the 1 hour? Still coming. 28 minutes to confirm. Not looking too bad. Oh, wow, guys. We are running low on time. Bullish on Frankie Candles. Let's go. Macachino. Let's go. Thoughts on Link? Hi, Frankie. NFA. I have right now around a good pot of money to invest. Would you recommend to start investing now, or would you accept months of a bear market? Or would you expect months? I think we'll bottom out in a month or 3. 1 to 3 months, I think we should be hitting a bottom, in my own opinion. How long do you think, how low do you think VeChain can go? Low, probably. We're going to finish up here, guys. I do have to go record this video for BitBoy Crypto. But let's go ahead and take a look at VeChain real quick. I mean, let's go to the, let's just go straight to the weekly. I'll do it quick and dirty for you guys. I mean, yeah, when was this? March. Yeah, I mean, during the 2020 dump that we all know what happened there, we were below a cent. November 2020, still below a cent. I mean, I got into VeChain at 2 cents. So I got in like right here. But I mean, we could probably make it back down there. I mean, we're already not that far. Whoa, how far are we from? Nah, I mean, we are pretty far. But yeah, I mean, not out of the question. 2 cents, 3 cents maybe. Hard to say. Just adding some oregano to my sauce. Let's go, Curtis. Quick and dirty is the way we like it. Let's go, Captain. Let's go. Tell Ben to wait for the superstar. Matthew, I appreciate you, man. Only a few more likes. Oh, my God, guys. Let's run it up. Well, let's go ahead and spin this wheel, guys. Amazing stream. I'm going to pull up the wheel. You guys run it up to 700. Do we do 15 spins? I mean, or we'll just double down on the NFTs. Tony, I am relying on you to keep track of these NFTs because at this point I've lost what we're giving away. Channel popping off today. Let's go. We hit 13K today, guys. We're crushing the shorts today. We got 698 likes, 699. We get 700. I'm throwing the rest of this money. Let's go. 700 likes, guys. We just broke an all-time high for likes. Shout out to the CandleMafia. It's going to take me like 35 minutes to finish picking up this money, guys. But thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Amazing stream today. All right, let's have some fun spinning this wheel. Let's see. Let's have some fun, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you more than you can imagine. Let's go ahead. Spin number 1. What do we got? How many spins do we have? 10 spins? I think 10 spins. Sure. 7. Yes, let's go, guys. Get your friends and neighbors to smash that like button. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. Big energy. Bada boom, baby. Threw all the money. That's the first time we ever threw all the money on this channel. Gonna have to double up on the money. Start running around with 2 stacks of 10K. Let's get it. You and I are giving away 3 each. Crypto Anon is giving 1 away, and Biomex is giving 1 away. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Insane. Absolutely insane. Smashing these numbers, guys. Let's get it. Spin number 1. Let's see how poor we can get. Let's do 15 spins. Let's do 15 spins. Deep fake. Let's do this because I do have to get out of here. Let's do 15 spins. I gotta rework this wheel. We can't do the deep fakes. I'm not gonna do the jumping. Let's just do 15 spins, and I'm just gonna give you guys the giveaway because we're kind of in a rush here. I'll mark down what I get. I'll do this. If I have eat crickets, I'll mark it down and I'll do it in the next stream because we are running low here. All right, spin number 2. Spin number 2. Let's go. Bada boom, guys. Didn't even drink my coffee today. Too much going on. Spin number 2. Spin number 3. Frankie follows you. I don't know. I feel like that's not cool until they have 1 million followers. Spin number 2. At 3? Is this spin number 2? Spin number 2. We'll call it spin number 2. Deep fake. Spin number 3. I think that was spin number 3, but we'll just go spin number 3. We're trying to get you guys some giveaways here. Let's go. Here we go. We need music. We need music for this. All right, spin number 4. Here we go. Spin number 4. Give them a giveaway, guys. Give them a giveaway. Spin number 4. Spin number 4. Bada boom. Spin number 5. Spin number 5. Got to rework this wheel, guys. Got to rework it. We got to put more interesting stuff on. Night off. All right, so we're going to pretend I got that night off first. I'm not going to do any of the challenges. We're just going to keep spinning this till you guys get giveaways. Spin number 6. Let's go. Spin number 6. It's funny you guys thought that spin the night off was me not doing the stream for a night, and I thought it was I just don't do a challenge for the night. Pretty funny. Spin number 7 or 6. I don't even know. Spin number 7. Let's get some giveaways in here, guys. Spin number 7. Oh, funny hat. We'll mark down funny hat. I'm just going to do a whole week of funny hats because I landed on it a bunch of times. Spin number 8. Sure. Spin number 8. Spin number 8. Night off. Spin number 9. Spin number 9. Come on. Give them a giveaway. Spin number 9. All right, let's go. Spin number 10. Got 5 more, guys. Bound to get a giveaway. What was that? Was that 10? That was spin number 10? Spin number 11. I'm probably just going to wind up giving a couple extra spins because I think I lost count. Spin number 11. Give them a giveaway. It's not that small. Like, giveaway's not that small. Oh, wait, is there only 1? No, there's 2. Okay. Let's go. Like, spin number 12? I don't know. Come on. Spin number 12. I mean, spin number 13. 13. Let's get it, baby. 13. Let's go. Give it to him. Come on. God, the first time we get 15 spins, no giveaway. Let's go giveaway. Get Ben to eat crickets. Tell him to take one for the team. I doubt Ben will eat the crickets. We could ask him, though. I got him to drink the sauce. I can't believe we weren't live for that. That was so depressing. I got to get him on here to drink some more sauce. Give him a giveaway. I don't know if that's 12, 13, or 14, or 15, so we're just going to go ahead and spin it one more time, guys. Just give it another extra spin. I mean, we doubled down. All right, I'm giving it one more. This is crazy. I'll tell you what. This wheel is always landing on giveaway, and we do 15 in a row and no giveaway. That's what I mean. Literally, you guys get... Oh, my God. All right, how about this, guys? How about forget this wheel? We'll just delete the wheel, and I'll say this. I don't know what the price of Bitcoin is, right? I'm looking at the camera. I wouldn't be able to find that number on the screen that quickly anyway. I don't know what the price of Bitcoin is. If my trades are over $1,000 in profit, for every trade I have over $1,000, I'll just give you guys an NFT. So how about that? Look at that. They're both up over $1,000. 2 NFT giveaways. Screw that wheel. Frankie Candle's just going to hook you up anyway. So I'll give you guys 2. I'll give you guys 2 NFTs plus the other one I said I would give away. Tony's keeping count, guys. It's like 5 or 6, maybe a little more. I don't know. 5 or 6 NFTs. They're coming. Thank you so much, guys, for 723 likes. We still have 389 people in here. Guys, if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and welcome to the greatest crypto community on YouTube, guys. Like I said, I show you guys how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. We're not afraid of bear markets. We just collect money in the bear markets. Guys, again, amazing stream. Thank you so much. I love each and every single one of you more than you guys can imagine. You guys make this possible. I get to have a blast every single day at work because of you guys, and I appreciate that more than ever. With all that being said, guys, that's all I got for today's show. I'll see you tomorrow, same place, same time. I'll actually see you on the morning stream tomorrow, and then later at 5:45 p.m. after ATB for my live stream. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong. Guys, I'm back. You stayed for the credits. Congratulations. Debate Crypto, guys. I Debate Crypto. I think they're live right now. Go check them out. Smash the like button. I'm going to meet you guys in there. We were chatting in there yesterday a little bit. I'll meet you guys in there. Let's go raid their stream. Smash the like button. Even if I recommend that you stay, hang out. They have a lot of good information. They put out some great content. I recommend staying and hanging out. But if you don't have time, at least come on over there with me right now. Smash that like button. Say what's up in chat just to let them know the CandleMafia supports them. They're good friends of ours. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you tomorrow's stream. Love every single one of you. I don't even know what to say. You guys are the best. That's all I got. Frank Candles out. Bing bong.